Hello friends, welcome back to my exam coaching classes once again. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So today we are going to learn a new topic and the topic is surds and indices. When we talk about this particular topic, surds and indices, one of the very important topic in quantitative aptitude, which will have a more weightage, more number of questions are normally asked from this particular topic in exams like Staff Selection Commission, IBPS, RRB, etc. Okay, so I have a lot of questions today. We'll be solving that one by one. So before going to these questions, students, I just want to tell you about the new app we have launched, Trace the Learning app. Kindly download the app from Google Play Store and the link is also given in the description. You can download from the description also. In this app, you will get all the PDF notes, video classes, study materials, complete study materials, sample papers, then mock test series. All these are absolutely free. So download the app today and take your preparations to the next level. Okay, so let us go to this particular topic, surds and indices. So when we talk about this topic, surds and indices, initially we have to learn a very important set of rules, or you can say very important set of formulae from this particular topic. So let us see what all are the important formula we need to remember before going to the questions. Okay, so as far as surds is concerned, we have this important formula. So let me write all here. As far as surds are concerned, we have very important formula, and the first formula is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. All this important formula you should be thorough. Then it is very easy for you to solve problems based on surds and indices. Okay, so here what actually we have written, a power m, a power n. You can see here, students, a power m, base a and a, base is same and power is different. So when we have the same base with the different powers, the final answer is obtained when you add the powers. So a power m into a power n, we will get a power m plus n. When same power with the same base with the different powers, when they are in multiplication, you can just take the base and add the powers. So this is very important formula. And when we have, instead of multiplication, suppose we have division, then what will come? A power m divided by a power n. Or you can say a power m divided by a power n. In the bottom also you can write. When you have division here, then we have, instead of addition, we have to subtract the powers. So here you will get a power m minus n. Understand very clearly, both the cases the base is same. A power m, a power n. For example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 7. So that 2 will not change, the base will not change. So having the same base, different powers. So you are adding when there is a multiplication and you are subtracting when there is a division. Okay, very important. Then the third one is a power m all power n. When you have two powers in like this, a power m whole power n, then in this case what we need to do is we have to multiply these two numbers and take it as a single power. So you can say a power m into n, or you can say a power mn. When we have power of power, then we will multiply both the power to a single power. So this is a power m all power n. And the next one we have, suppose a by b power m. So in this case, this power is common for both a and b. This power m is for a as well as for b. So you can split it like this, a power m divided by b power m. A power m divided by b power m. And suppose you have different bases with the same power, a power m into b power m. So here the first one is a power m into a power n, having the same base, different powers. Same base, different powers. But here you can see same power, different base. same power, different base. In this case, what we will do, we will multiply both the bases having a single power m. So you can write this as a into b power m. A into b power m. That is, a and b are different bases having same power. So what we will take? We will take that power as common and multiply the bases a and b. So a into b power m. Here what we have? We have same base, different powers. So we will add the powers. And the very important point as far as surds are concerned, by convention, we always take a power 0 is equal to 1. Understand very clearly, any number, if the power is 0, that value is taken as 1. 2 power 0, 1. 3 power 0, 1. 100 power 0, 1. 1000 power 0, 1. Any number, if the power is 0, its value is taken as 1. Remember, very, very important point. If the power is 0, the value of that full number is taken as 1. So these all are the important formula we need to remember as far as this topic surds are concerned. Very, very important formula, and you will get all questions in your competitive exams. All questions are based on this 5-6 formula. So if you are thorough in this formula, then I don't think cracking questions in the competitive exams are tough. No, we can easily crack all questions if you remember this formula. Okay, so the next set of formula from this particular topic, surds and indices, we have, suppose we write square root of 2, square root of a number a, square root of a number a. Normally, the square root of a, we will take as a power half. So any number to the power half is equal to square root of that number. Any number to the power half will be equal to square root of that number. For example, if I write root 6, I can write this as 6 power half because it is a square root. Suppose I write cube root of any number a. So cube root of a number is written as a power 1 by 3. A power 1 by 3. Similarly, in general terms, if I have nth root of a number a, then I can write it as a power 1 by n. One of the very important rule. Square root, a power 1 by 2, cube root, power 1 by 3, nth root, generally nth root, a power 1 by n. This n can be any natural number. Second, nth root of a into b. So this nth root is common for both a and b. So you can split it. Nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b. So the nth root of ab is equal to nth root of a into nth root of b. And next is nth root of a by b. Here we have multiplication. We will take in division. A by b. So this n is common for both a and b. So you can write n of a, that is nth root of a by nth root of b. So if it is in multiplication, you can split it in multiplication. If it is in division, you can split it in division. And the last one, very important, nth root of a power n. Nth root of a power n. This is important. So here you can see nth root of a power n. Nth root of a can be written as a power 1 by n, and this n will come outside. Understand very clearly, nth root of a, inside bracket, nth root of a. Nth root of a is equal to a power 1 by n. Nth root of a is equal to a power 1 by n. So nth root of a, I can write a power 1 by n. Then this outside power I am writing again n. So a power 1 by n into n, I can write it as what? A power 1 by n multiplied by n. I can cancel this n and n. It becomes a power 1. A power 1 is equal to a. So we got a power nth root of a power n will be equal to a. Very, very important rule. So these all are the important formula as far as surds and indices are concerned. Based on this, we will have to solve a lot of questions. So kindly note this formula, then we will solve questions one by one which are asked in the previous papers. Kindly note it. So let us start with some of the basic questions, then we will go to the questions which are important questions, advanced questions, with the difficulty level will increase. Okay, so let me start with some of the basic questions. The first question is 256 power, let me write the question here, 256 power 3 by 4 is equal to a question mark, and 4 options are also given. Let me write the options here. What are the options given? 16, 32, 64, 16, 32, 64, 48, and none of these. These are the 4 options given in the question. 256 power 3 by 4, okay, is equal to what? So this is normal, basic question based on surds and indices. So whatever formula we have already learned, we can apply those formula here and you can easily find out this answer. So here 256, see, I'll tell you a simple trick here. Always these type of questions are asked in your competitive exam, which will have the number which is given inside the bracket will have a power which is equal to this number 4. Whatever number is given here it is given 4. So we have to write this number in powers of 4. So we know 4 power 4 is what? So we have, see, 4 power 4 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 16 is equal to 256. So I can write 256 equal to 4 power 4. So instead of 256, I can write 4 power 4 inside the bracket. Instead of 256, I can write 4 power 4 and then this 3 power 4. So this is in which form actually? This is in the form a power m all power n is equal to a power m into n. So this will be equal to 4 power 4 into 3 by 4. So you can cancel this 4 and this 4. Final answer is equal to 4 power 3. So what is 4 power 3? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. So accordingly, you can mark the correct answer as 64. So now you need not to write all these lines in your exam. This is only for the explanation purpose I have written. You have to do it within seconds, and that will come only when you practice with the more and more questions. Okay. So what actually is the idea here? Whatever number is given here, this is 4. Whatever number is given here, accordingly, you have to express this number in terms of some powers of a number. So here 256 we have written as 4 power 4. 4 power 4, why we have written? Because when we write 4 power 4, this 4 and this 4 you can cancel and you can simplify this to get the answer. So take more and more questions and then practice it so that you can increase your speed. We will be solving a lot of questions here, and if you want to have the complete sample paper, kindly download it from the app Trace the Learning app. Okay, the link is given in the description. You can download the app and the complete question paper is uploaded in the app. You can download it. Okay, kindly note it, then we'll go to the next question. So the next question is 0.0016 power 3 by 4 equal to what? 0.0016 power 3 by 4 is equal to what? So for 5 options, 5 options are also given. What are the options? 1 by 16, 2 by 25, 1 by 16, 2 by 25, 1 by 125, 1 by 128, 1 by 125, 1 by 128, and none of these. 5 options are also given to you. 0.0016 power 3 by 4 is equal to what? So whenever you have these type of questions in your question paper, and this type of questions, it are very common in RRB, IBPS, Staff Selection Commission exams, all competitive exams where surds and indices are a topic. These type of questions are very common. Okay, so when next time when you go for your exam, when you see these type of questions, you should not take more than 5 to 10 seconds to solve these type of questions. For that, practice is required. So how to solve this type of question? Simply write 0.0016 can be written as 16 by 10,000 power 3 by 4. Now again I told you, if this is the number 4, we have to express this in terms of powers of 4. So I can write it as 2 power 4 by this as 10 power 4 3 power 4. 16 is 2 power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times when you multiply 2, you will get 16. 10 power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 10 power 4. So here I can take this 4 and this 4 common. So I'll get 2 by 10 power 4 into this 3 by 4. Cancel this 4 and 4. 2 by 10 I will get 1 by 5. So I got final answer 1 by 5 power 3. What is 1 cube? 1. What is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. So our final answer is 1 by 125. So from here, the given options, you can mark 1 by 125 as the correct answer. So what is the main idea behind all these questions? We have to split the given number in terms of power which is equal to this number. So questions normally are asked in this type only. Okay. So accordingly, you can simplify it and solve it. So kindly note it, then we'll go to the next type of questions. So next question is same type of question, 0.0081 power 3 by 4. So now you can solve it. We have already solved this type of question now. You can easily solve it. Options are also given. Let me write the options. The options are 0.09, 0.03, 0.12, 0.027 and none of these. So these are the 5 options given. 0.0081 power 3 by 4. So I can write this as what? 81 by 10,000 power 3 by 4. Now 81 you have to write as a power, 4th power of a number. So we know this is equal to 9 into 9, 81. 9 is 3 square. So we can write 3 power 4 by, this is 10 power 4, 3 by 4. When I take this 4 and 4 cancel, it will become, this 4 and 4 will be cancelled with this. So this will become what? 3 by 10 power 3. 3 cube is 27. 10 cube is 1000. So my final answer will be equal to what? 0.027. So accordingly I can mark this is the correct answer. 0.027. So solve this type of questions fast. Practice with more and more questions and increase your speed. Kindly note it. Then we'll go to the next type of question. Understand the concept very clearly, then do it. If you are not clear with the concept, pause the video, watch it multiple times and then do it. Okay, here is your next question. 27 power 11 divided by 81 cube into 9 power 5 is equal to 3 power question mark. Options are 27, 28, 29, 30 and none of this. 30 and 31. 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. These all are the options given. So 27 power 11 divided by 81 power 3 multiplied by 9 power 5 is equal to 3 power what? So the answer what we want here is in terms of the power of 3. The answer what we want is in terms of the power of 3. So what we have to do is solve it, and final answer you can convert in the power of 3, or from the given question you can write all these numbers in the power of 3 and then find out the answer. So let us solve it like this. 27 is what? 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube power 11. 3 cube. So all these numbers, that is why I told you from the previous video, whenever you prepare for your competitive exams, the square and square root of numbers up to 30 and the cube and cube root of numbers up to 15, 16, you should remember before going to the exam. Cube of numbers from 1 to 16. Remember, mug it up. Remember the numbers, cube and cube root. Similarly, square and square root of numbers up to 30. By doing this, you can save a lot of time in your exam hall. You can save a lot of time. 27 is 3 cube. 64 is 4 cube. 125 is 5 cube. 216 is 6 cube. Like that, you can easily remember the numbers. Then it becomes easy and you can save a lot of time. So 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube power 11 divided by 3 power 4 is 81. So 3 power 4 power 3 into 9 is 3 square. So 3 square power 5 is equal to 3 power what? So now you can see all the numbers what is given, we have converted that into the powers of 3. And the answer what we want here is also in the powers of 3 only. So we have converted all these numbers into 3. Now we can easily write it. What is 3 power 3 into 11? So 3 power 3 into 11, 33. So 3 power 33 divided by 3 power 4 into 3, 12, multiplied by 3 power 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 3 power question mark. So 3 power 33 division means this will become minus. Multiplication means this will become plus. So 33 minus 12, 21, 21 plus 10 is what? 31. So 3 power 31 is equal to 3 power question mark. So question mark will be is equal to 31. So from the given options, we can mark 31 as the correct option. Remember, understand it very clearly. This is division. So you can write 3 power 33 minus 12. And here it is multiplication. So this power will become plus. So 33 minus 12, 21, 21 plus 10, 31. So the answer is 31. Accordingly, we will mark the correct answer. So all these questions which are asked from the topic surds and indices are very, very important, and the weightage is also quite high because you will get at least 4 to 5 questions from this topic. So 4 to 5 questions means I am sure next time when you go for your competitive exams, don't miss that 5 important mark. Practice, practice and increase your speed. Okay. So again, once again, I remind you, if you have not downloaded the app Trace, the learning app, kindly download it today from the Google Play Store, and the link is also given in the description. You can download it from there. And if you are watching my video first time, kindly subscribe and please share with your friends. And next time we will meet with a new topic. Take care. Bye bye.